In sensory media and tuning machines, or how has marketing, advertising, and PR been automated? We talked to three guests who have been working together for a long time on a bunch of different really interesting projects. Nick Cara, Dan Angus, and Amy Dobson. We'll be talking to Nick about sensory media and brands, and Dan about tuning machines, and Amy about algorithmic hotness. And these are three different aspects of the projects they've done together, about branding, about nightlife, and about festivals, particularly Splendor in the Grass, and the ways the kind of, digital and IRL are kind of very much blurred in those spaces, and the way that experiences at things like festivals or in nightclubs are increasingly used for content and used for branding, and how that relates to kind of algorithmic relations.